You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this dish, originally from Italy, Italian flatbread, from Romagna, historical region. Let's break down how to pronounce it, the Italian pronunciation first. Piadina Romagnola, Romagnola, GN in Italian is pronounced N, okay? Romagnola, Piadina Romagnola. In English, if you cannot pronounce Italian perfectly, you can say it as Piadina Romagnola. If you want to learn more from Italian cuisine, here are more videos where you can learn tons more here. Stay tuned. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.